shows there is not a brake pedal. Who needs it?
Whoa! Oh, shit! You're gonna fall and die.
Yeah!
Holy
shit, look at that! What am I gonna do?
Get shot!
I'm seeing enemies!
You better hold on to that. It's a very expensive camera, you motherfucker.
Oh my God! Ah!
This Uber fucking sucks. This is the bumpiest goddamn ride I've ever had.
Let's see if they enjoyed the ride. What'd you think of that?
Where'd you learn to drive? Fucking Mrs. Puff's boating school? You piece of shit. Worst Uber of my life. You took me right back to where he picked me up.
Yeah, I guess you need another one. Let's go!
But the only place I was going is 6 feet under the ground.